Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hoping you're having a great day so far. We're going to go check out a brand new pool home listing, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, with a 3-car garage and side RV parking. Hang out, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, we're out here at 3000 Bowie Drive. Super quiet neighborhood. Nice houses all around. It's got tons of covered side parking, tile roof, 3-car garage. All right, guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath pool home built in 2001, 1,521 square feet. So it's got a nice open floor plan, split bedroom layout, vaulted ceilings, all brand new carpet in this living area here. Super clean. All the appliances stay. Washer and dryer stays. So you got the man door to the garage, indoor laundry, and the master on one side of the house. Your master bath, dual sinks, skylights, big walk-in closet. So you got bedroom number 2 at the rear of the house. It's got double doors. Got the guest bath. You have bedroom number 3 at the front of the house. So you have your indoor laundry, and the washer and dryer do stay. And then you have the whole security system. It's all pre-wired, all custom. All right, so you do have a 3-car garage. It has 19-foot and 28-foot bays. Obviously, they're in the middle of moving, so you have your soft water heater, RO system, expansion tank. You got a nice covered patio. Fully walled in and fenced yard. Nice, clean fiberglass pool. Nicely landscaped. All the pool decking looks like it's in real good condition. So you got some fruit trees, all your pool equipment. That gated side RV parking is approximately 30 feet deep and 12 feet high. Got all your pool equipment, your pool heater. Looks to be in good condition. Has a nice camera system that stays, security cameras. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Bowie. If you guys have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information, as always, is right below this video. Also, I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page so you can get all the listing pictures, room dimensions, and all the pertinent listing information. So you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.